Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Poppo Live account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up our Poppo Live account and then sign into our account as well. So once we've signed in, we're going to click onto our account on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Now once we're inside of here, you're going to see we are logged in. Now we're going to click on the gear icon, settings icon, and then under settings, click onto account and security. Now inside of account and security, if we scroll down, it's going to say cancel account or delete account. Go ahead and click onto that. Now it's going to say confirm delete account. Basically, when you do that, after cancelling, you will lose all the information of it, such as chat history, matching personal data, and your moments, and they cannot be recovered. Also, your VIP privileges, guardian privileges, and security validity will get invalid. So the remaining amount in your wallet will get invalid. So this include points, coins. Purchase value added services will get invalid too. And once you confirm the cancellation of your account cannot be restored. So do keep that in mind. So from here, go ahead and click on confirm and delete account, and that's going to go ahead and delete your Poppo Live account.